Hey guys, welcome back to another video in the Python tutorial for beginner series. Today we want to talk about all the mathematical operators that are included in Python. There are a good bit of them, and we need to go through them just to make sure that we fully understand them. There's more operators that we'll get to later, but for right now we're going to cover the mathematical operators. So I've already got PyCharm loaded up, and I've got the Programming Vault project loaded, and I've already got some variables set up as well that we can use today in going through and practicing all these mathematical operators. So the first mathematical operator that we want to talk about is the addition, right? And we all know what that is, right? It just adds two numbers together, right, and gives us the results. Let's go ahead and print that out and try it. And so this will be our little test of the plus sign, the addition operator. And yep, so we had A equal to 3, B equal to 4. When you add those together, you do in fact get 7. Now the next operator that we want to go through is the minus sign, right? It's for subtraction. You all know what that is, right? It just basically subtracts one number from another. So we'll do that. Doesn't matter if it comes out positive or negative. It'll work either way. We'll go ahead and run it, and so 3 minus 4, yep, is in fact negative 1. And now we're going to do the multiplication symbol, which is an asterisk, and that multiplies two things together, of course, and you can do that with any length of numbers, right? So we'll go ahead and do that and hope we get 12. And we do. So 3 times 4 is 12. There's also division. Let's go ahead and do the division symbol. You just do it with a forward slash, right? It's A divided by B. And we'll run that. 0.75, that's right. 3 divided by 4 is in fact 0.75. And those are all of the normal ones that most people know, right? Just about everybody knows those 4 mathematical operators. But there are a few more that we need to know, right? So let's go ahead and we're going to change our variables first. So we're going to make A equal to 13, and we'll leave B equal to 4. And now we're going to do something called modulus. And you do that with the percentage symbol, right? And that's read as A modulus B or A mod B. And what that does is it divides A by B and returns the remainder. So basically you're just getting the remainder of 13 divided by 4. Right, so the modulus will just give you a remainder. Yep, 13 divided by 4 has a remainder of 1, right? 4 will go into 13 3 times with 1 left over. The modulus is really useful. A lot of people don't think about that, but if you have a variable with an unknown number in it, you can find out a lot about what kind of numbers in it by using the modulus or the remainder. You can divide it by 2 and see if it's even, right? If you divide any number by 2 and the remainder is 0, then it's obviously an even number, right? If the remainder is anything other than 0, it's not an even number. So there's the modulus for you. Don't forget that one. That's a really good one. There's also exponentation, right, to be able to use exponents. So we're going to change the value of our variable a to 2, and we'll change the value of our variable b to 3. And then we're going to just do exponentation like this in Python. And what that reads is 2 with an exponent of 3, right? So that should evaluate 2 times 2 times 2. And if you're up on your binary, you should know that should be 8. Right, so let's just run it and see. And it is 8, right? So 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. And another one that's kind of useful sometimes is floor division. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with that or not, but let's change the value of A to 15, and then we'll change the value of B to 2. And to do floor division in Python, you do it like this. You simply put 2 division symbols there instead of 1. And what floor division does is it will perform the operation, and then it will round the answer down to the lowest whole number. So using that calculation, the floor division of 15 divided by 2 should equal 7. So let's run that and see if it does. Okay, we're going to run it right now. And it does equal 7, right? So that's pretty much it for most of the main mathematical operators. I just wanted to make a quick video and run through those with you. So we're building up, so we're learning all these concepts and these techniques in Python so we can work up to making doing an actual project or doing an actual case study. And we will be doing that in this series. But first we just need to get the fundamentals down and know the way everything operates in Python. So these are the mathematical operators. In our next video, we're probably going to talk about the logic operators and the comparison operators. You need to know those as well. And the assignment operators. Those are completely different from the mathematical operators, but just as important, right? So we will get to those, and I've enjoyed making this video for you. If you found it helpful and you like learning about Python, please like and subscribe to the channel, and that way every time I make a new video you'll get notified and you can keep up with the series that way. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments below. And with that, I will talk to you next time. Thanks for watching.